Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Okay, our today topic is some basic problems and it's very important problems for Olympiad, NEET and JEE mains and advanced level. That is the tensional force problems. Okay, in this previous video I will discuss 3 or 4 problems discussed based on the tensional force problems. Okay, first problem today discuss first problem, find tension. Okay, find tension. So let us consider take a block of mass m. The two ends, the two corners of the block is tied with a fixed to a string is attached to the support. Attached to the support is making an angle theta. Making an angle theta. Find tension. Find tension. Okay, first to discuss in this type of problems, draw the free body diagram. First to draw the free body diagram. Okay, this is the block. First to identify the block or system or mass. Mg is acting downward direction. Mg, that is a gravitational force acting always a downward direction. The one force is exerted along the string and along the rope or along the wire. One force is exerted, that force is a tensional force. So tensional force. Tensional force. So making an angle theta. This is the theta and this is also theta. Okay, theta is resolving in two type of components. Theta is resolving in two type of components. First one is a vertical component, other one is horizontal component. The horizontal component take t cos theta, t cos theta. Vertically component is the t sin theta. So again another angle same, that is theta, is resolving into same two components. Horizontal component is the t cos theta and vertically component is the t sin theta. T cos theta plus t cos theta, that is equal to 2t cos theta. 2t cos theta. In this one, to find tension, to take y direction, take y-axis. So 2t cos theta is equal to mg. 2t cos theta is equal to mg. Then tensional force T is equal to mg by 2 cos theta. mg by 2 cos theta. This is the answer. So very simple. So block of mass m is connected, the two ends of the two corners of the block is connected to a string, it attached to the ceiling. So make an angle theta, so resolve into two components, horizontal and vertical. Then also another angle, same angle theta is resolved into two components, t cos theta and t sin theta. T cos theta, t cos theta, 2t cos theta is equal to mg. Then t is equal to mg by 2 cos theta. So very simple problem. Okay, in this type of problem asking in a NEET level, same problem, a NEET level 2016 edition. It's a very important problem. This is the first problem. The second problem. In the second problem, find tensional force T1 and T2. T1 and T2. Okay, this is the acting along the string T1. This one is the T2. Okay, let us consider take a block of mass m. So mass is a 2 kg block. Okay, 2 kg block is supported with a wall, is attached to a wall, and another end of the block is support with a one roof of the building or roof of the the roof of the anything. So make an angle 37 degree. make an angle 37 degree. Then find out T1 and T2. Okay, find out tensional force. First one, T1 and T2. It's a very simple problem in this one. Okay, this is the problem JEE Mains 2016 edition. Okay, first draw the free body diagram. Okay, this type of problems is very easy and very important problems for NEET and some mains level. Okay, first this is the block. Okay, this is the block. The point mass is the block identification. So mg acting downward direction, that is the m is the 2 into g, 2g acting downward direction. Okay, 1/4 the tensional force acting T2 in this direction, T2 acting in this way. In this way, the T1 so making an angle 37 degrees. Okay, in the 37 degrees, this is totally 90. So 90 minus 37, that is the 53. Okay, this angle is 53 degrees. Okay, 53 degrees. That is the angle. Making angle theta is resolving into two type of component. One is the horizontal component, other one is the vertically component. This is the vertically component. So vertically component. In this one, the tensile force is a T1 sine 53 degrees. In this side, the horizontal component is the T1 cos 53 degrees. Okay, so first one, so taking vertical direction. This is the vertical direction. T1 sine 53 degrees is equal to 2g. Okay, T1 sine 53 degrees is equal to 2g, and the sine 53 degrees, that value 4/5. T1 into 4/5 is equal to 2 into g value 10 meter per second square. 2 into 10, 20. Okay, 20. 4 ones, 4 5s. Cross multiplication, T1 is equal to 25 Newton. T1 is equal to 25 Newton. This is the T1 value. The next the T2 find out. The taking horizontal direction. The horizontal direction, T1 cos 53 degrees. T1 cos 53 degrees is equal to T2. Okay, T1 cos 53 degrees is equal to T2. Okay, in this T1 is equal to 25. The cos 53 is the 3/5. So 25 into 3/5 is equal to T2. 5 ones, 5 5s. Then T2 is equal to 5 3s 15 Newton. Okay, this is the T1 and T2 values. Very simple problems and very easy and very important problems. Okay, find T1 T2. First draw the free body diagram. Then easily simplify T1 and T2 values. So T1 is equal to 25 Newton and T2 is equal to 15 Newtons. Okay, this is the second problem. Now discuss third problem. It's a very different type of problem. In this previous first problem only discuss tension. The second problem T1 and T2 find out. In this problem T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay, very simple problems in this one. The first two in this problem, okay, one block. So one block is hanging down 10 kg of mass. The block of mass is 10 kg. Is supported in the string. The two type of strings is attached to the single string. Okay, in this single string is connected is attached to a ceiling. These two strings is fixed to a wall. Fixed to a wall. The first string is making angle 30 degrees. The second string is making an angle 60 degree. With the two are adding with each other. Okay, then find out T1, T2, T3 and T4 values. Okay, in this one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So totally 4 or 5 types of the tensions are applicable. The tensions are applicable in this one. Okay, 10 kg block. 10 kg block. First two points. The first two taking 2 points. In this one, A and B. Take 2 points. Okay, take 2 points A and B. This point A, the making angle 30 degrees, point B making angle 60 degree. Then identify the tensional forces. The tensional, okay, this is the T naught, just T1. In this one, T2. This is the T3, and this one is the T4. This is the problem. This is the problem question. Okay, next to find out in this value T1, T2, T3 and T4. So one by one discuss, students. Is very simple and very important problem. This type of problems is very important. In the previously asking in JEE mains and NEET level. Okay, first the free body diagram for 10 kg. Okay, first to find out FBD of 10 kg. FBD of 10 kg. Okay, T naught. The T naught acting upward direction T naught. So 10 into G. Okay, T naught is equal to 10 into 10. That is equal to 100 Newton. T naught is equal to 100 Newton. Next to point A. FBD of point A. FBD of point A. First to draw the free body diagram in this way. In this point, draw the free body diagram. This is down. So T naught acting. T naught acting. This side make an angle 30 degrees. The side T2 angle. Okay, T2 tensile force is acting. T2 tensile force is acting, making an angle 30 degrees. Okay, making angle 30 degrees is resolved into two components, the horizontal component and vertical component. And this is the horizontal, and this one is the vertical component. So vertical is the T2 sine 30. T2 sine 30, and horizontal is the T2 cos 30. T2 cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. In this way, okay, opposite to the T2 sine 30 degrees. So one tensional force is acting, the T1 acting. Okay, in this free body diagram of point A, T naught value is there, 100 Newton. The next to first to take a vertical direction. Take a vertical direction. Vertical direction. That is the T2 cos 30 degrees is equal to T naught. Okay, T2 into cos 30. Okay, cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 100. Then T2 is equal to cross multiplication 200 by root over 3 into n. Root over 3 into n, 200 by root 3 into n. This is the T2. Then next to take a horizontal direction, so T1 is equal to T2 sine 30. Okay, T2 value 200 by root 3 into sine 30 1 by 2. Sine 30 is the 1 by 2. 2 ones to 2 hundreds, that is equal to 100 by root over 3 Newton. Root over 3 Newton. First write these two values in this side. T1 is equal to 100 by root 3 Newton. T2 is equal to 200 by root 3 Newton. This is the free body diagram of point A. Then find out easily T1 and T2 values. Okay, next to find out the free body diagram of point B. Okay, point B, find out free body diagram of point B. Okay, in this point, this is the point. First, this is the first to identify the object. The next one, in this side, in this one, so making an angle, this is the 30 degrees, this is the T2. Okay, T2. So make an angle 30 degrees. Make an angle 30 degrees. Is the resolve into two components. This is the horizontal T2 cos 30. This is the T2 sin 30 degrees. T2 cos 30 and T2 sin 30. Okay, in this side T3 also applied. T3, that is the T3 plus these two are acting in the same direction, then these two tensile forces are adding. T3 plus T2 sin 30. Next, so T4 acting in this side. T4, okay, making an angle 60 degree. Okay, in this figure, so make an angle 60 degrees. This 60 degrees is resolved into two components. This is the T4 cos 60 degrees. This one T4 sin 60 degrees. T4 sin 60 degrees. Okay, this is the free body diagram. Just once listen. This is the point B. Okay, make an angle in downward direction, downward, the slightly downward, make an angle 30 degrees. T2 acting is resolved in two component, T2 cos 30, T2 sin 30. Okay, T2 sin 30 is acting in this direction. Okay, this direction one tensile force is acting. The tensile force is the T3. Okay, the two forces acting in the same direction, the two forces are adding. That is the resultant force of T3 plus T2 sin 30. In this side, T4 force acting along the string, so making angle 60 degree. The 60 degree is resolved into two components, T4 cos 60 and T4 sin 60. First to get T2 value is there. First to vertical direction. Vertical direction, T4 cos 60 is equal to T2 cos 30 degrees. Okay, T4 into cos 60 1 by 2 is equal to T2 value 200 by root 3. 200 by root 3 into root 3 by 2. 100, root 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 hundreds. Then T4 is equal to 200 Newton. T4 is equal to 200 Newton. Next to horizontal direction, horizontal direction. The horizontal direction T3 plus T2 sin 60. Okay, sin 30. This one, not sin 60. Sin 30 degrees is equal to T4 sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. T3 find out in this. T3 find out. T2 200 by root 3. 200 by root 3 into sin 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 into T4 value 200 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. 2 ones 2 hundreds. 2 ones 2 hundreds. Okay. In this one, so to 100 by root 3 is equal to 100 root 3. Okay, simply say that in this, right, in this one, T3 is equal to 200 by root 3. 200 by root 3 into Newton. Okay, T4 find out, T3 also find out, and T1 find out, T2 find out. This is the problem. This is the third problem. It's very important problem. So fourth problem, last problem in this session. Find out acceleration of the block. Okay, in this block, a block of mass 5 kg. The force is acting, 15 Newton force is acting. So make an angle 60 degrees. Then find out acceleration. First, to draw the free body diagram. Free body diagram of 5 kg mass. 5 kg mass. So always acting downward direction, that is the gravitational force of 5 into g, 5g. Normal force acting upward direction. Okay, the force, so what, how much force is acting? 15 Newton, making angle 60 degree. Making an angle 60 degree. This 60 degree is resolved into two components. Horizontal is 5g. These two are acting same direction. 50 cos 60. 50 into cos 60 degrees. Vertically component is the 50 sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. Okay, first to find out. First taking y direction. First taking y direction. Vertically direction. Vertical direction. N is equal to 5g plus 50 cos 60 degrees. N is equal to, normal force is equal to 5 into 10, 50 plus 50 into cos 60. Okay, cos 60 is the 1 by 2. 2 ones 2, 7, 225. 225. So 25 plus 50, 75 Newton. This is the vertical direction. Then next to horizontal direction. Horizontal direction. Okay, the force is equal to 50 into sin 60. The force F is equal to 50 into sin 60 degrees. Okay, 50 into root 3 by 2, that is equal to 25 root 3. 25 root 3 Newton. That is, the force is equal to 25 root 3 Newton. Okay, force is there and mass is there, then find out easily. Acceleration F is equal to ma, then a is equal to, okay, 25 root 3 by 5. 5 ones 5 5, so 5 root 3 meter per second square. This is the value. Acceleration is equal to 5 root 3 meter per second square. This is the problem. Last problem in this session. Okay, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.